What's up everybody? Welcome to Arrma RC. In the last video, we bought a used, like new, Big Rock from Amazon. Opened it up, found out there was something horrible wrong with it. It was cogging, jumping, doing all kind of stuff at about half throttle. So we returned it, got a new one. It came in. We're going to open it up, see how it's looking. Hopefully it's doing a little bit better than that last one, because that last one was pretty rough. So let's bring it down, let's look at it, and see what we got. Okay, here we go. Let's see how this looks comparatively compared to that first one. I hope to God it can't be any worse. By the way, guys, I'm trying to grow this small YouTube channel. If you wouldn't mind, hit the like button, do the things, whatever it is these kids do nowadays. We're trying to grab a few more subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Let's get this thing open. Well, that's looking pretty good so far. Yeah, just like the other one, but green and more newer. And peel. Try that again, and peel. Yeah, bud. Everything appears. Yeah, and so just like how they should come from my understanding. Alright. Let's go ahead and pop the battery in it. Get the batteries in the controller. I won't make you watch all that boring crap. And let's make sure this thing's running good. Alright, so we got this thing out and about. Let's see how it does on first inspection. It seems to. Oh yeah, this thing's fine. All the way through the throttle, this thing's doing great. About right here's where we'd have issues before. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. We're not doing anything crazy here. We are going to take this thing out tomorrow and put it through its paces. Right now, we're just making sure it works okay. So with that being said, let's get some air. I love the way this thing handles. What a difference. Yep, been working on a wheelie bar for this. It's a little more challenging than I had originally thought. Yeah, man, this thing's tough. I really like the Terminator, but man, this is awesome. It's got so much control. I mean, the steering's there. For a big RC, you know, big-ish for what it is, it's pretty nimble. Ooh, wow. Tough, too. Not going to get too crazy with it. Like I said, this is just a preliminary test. We're going to go out bashing with it tomorrow and really put it through its paces here. So for the modifications, like I said, we got that wheelie bar. I've got some pretty cool 3D prints that are going in the works. What else was there? Oh yeah, upgraded shocks and struts. And going a tune the differential. I think this thing is going to be cool. Smooth. Woo, that was a hit. I just broke a DJI 03 air unit today. I'm not trying to press my luck before I can get out and give it a proper bashing. Ooh, that thing just hit a steel pole, man. Yeah, tough. All right, well, let's bring it in and see what kind of damage we've done or haven't done. Well guys, thanks a ton for watching. I had a real good time with this thing. I think we're going to have some really cool videos coming up with this guy. Got a lot planned for it. Got a lot planned for the other rigs in there too. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please hit the subscribe button, like button, whatever it is. I appreciate it. Thanks guys. We'll see you in the next one.
I just broke a DJI 03 air unit today. I'm not trying to press my luck before I can get out and give it a proper bashing. Ooh, that thing just hit a steel pole, man. Yeah, tough. So I think I'll wait to flip it. I couldn't help it. Cool. All right. Well, let's bring it in and see what kind of damage we've done or haven't done.